Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz via Google Docs. First, you search Google in the search engine, and then you search. Once you search it, you will find Google Docs, and you will click on it. Once you click on Google Docs, you will see tabs for Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. And we're going to go to Forms. Once we click on Forms, we're going to go to Google Forms. Then we're going to start a new form, and we're going to click a blank form. So now that we're here, I'm going to create a question. And my question is going to be, did you find this training effective? And then they gave me a few suggestions, and I'm going to click add all. And as you can see, yes, no, and maybe popped up. So now that I have this one, I'm going to add another one. My next question will be, do you think that everything in this training was acceptable? And again, I'm going to go to add all. And as you can see, I have multiple choice questions, but you could choose multiple choice questions. You could choose check boxes. You could also choose short answer questions. You could do a linear scale. You could do a multiple choice grid. You could do a checkbox grid. But I'm just going to stick to multiple choice. And I'm going to try to add another question that gives you more options. Do you think that the ADDIE model works for every training created? And my first option is going to be sometimes, add other, and that's how you make a quiz. Also, with creating a quiz, you can also use it in the HRD field. And the way you can use it in the HRD field, I feel like you can use it for after training purposes, so that the trainer can be evaluated by the different people that were in their training. And this tool basically is for creating a quiz.